Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sugar cookies with just 3 simple ingredients. This easy guide will have you baking in no time. First, you'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 large egg. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This is key for a smooth dough. These basic ingredients are likely already in your pantry, making this recipe super convenient for a quick treat. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, making your cookies tender. Next, beat in the large egg until it's fully incorporated and the mixture is smooth. Finally, gradually add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, mixing until a soft, pliable dough comes together. Be careful not to overmix. Once your dough is ready, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for preventing your cookies from spreading too much during baking. After chilling, lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thick. Then, grab your favorite cookie cutters and have fun creating all sorts of shapes. You can re-roll scraps as needed. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your cut-out cookies on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Keep a close eye on them as oven temperatures can vary. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Then, the fun begins with decorating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.